Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Anderson, and I've got some quick tips for you on keeping your clear aligners clean. So one of the great things about clear aligners is that it's much easier to keep your teeth clean than if you had braces, but you are going to find that you'll get a little bit of food and plaque on your aligner. After giving your hands a good clean, carefully take your aligners out. And then with a toothbrush, you're just going to brush the inside of the aligner. Now this only takes a few seconds to do. You can also put toothpaste on your brush if you'd like to. After you've done that, give it a rinse out, pop it back in. And then you can also go around and clean the outside of your aligner while it's in your mouth. It just makes it a bit easier. And that's all there is to it. You've got a nice clean aligner just once a day, and that's all you need.